Dyno decking. How to install composite battens. Composite batten specifications. Our composite batten measures 3 meters in length and has dimensions of 30 millimeters by 50 millimeters. Proper slope for drainage. When laying the composite batten on the surface, it's essential to create a slope of 10 millimeters per meter towards a designated drainage area. This slope will allow water to flow easily and prevent pooling. Batten placement. Lay the battens flat on the surface while ensuring that the centers of your joists are spaced at a maximum of 300 millimeters apart. This spacing is crucial for providing adequate support for your decking. Start by attaching the hidden starter fixing clips to each of your joists. Before securing the clips, make sure to pre-drill to avoid any damage. Secure your first decking board into place. You will then proceed by securing the 3mm hidden fixing clips to your joists. Secure your next decking board and continue this process until you reach the second to last board. You will then install your final board. Install your final board first by securing the hidden starter fixing clips to the end of the joist and secure your final decking board in place. Following this, secure the 3mm hidden fixing clips to your joists and slide the second to last board into place. When installing with butt joints, you must ensure there is a joist supporting each decking board. Make sure there is a clip on every joist that supports each board. Clips should not be shared across decking boards at a butt joint. Maintain a space of 8 to 12 millimeters between the boards to allow for expansion. This spacing is crucial to prevent issues related to temperature-induced expansion.